What's going on, everybody? It's your favorite YouTuber and just person in general, Nicholas Akoto. And if you clicked on this video, I'm pretty sure you clicked on it because you'd like to learn how to find a clothing manufacturer. And that's exactly what I'm going to tell you guys today. Short, quick, to the point. But more specifically, I'm going to tell you my personal favorite method to finding a clothing manufacturer. Obviously, there's plenty of methods out there. Alibaba, Reddit groups, Makers Row. And then you'll have people that you ask them, oh, how do I find a manufacturer? And they'll just message you back, Google. But I'm not here to gatekeep today. What I'm here to do is to open the gate. And I'm just going to let you guys all come through. Now, quick backstory for those that don't know who I am and are wondering. My name is Nick, at least on the internet, that is. And I've been working in the clothing industry since 2016, both for myself and for other clothing brands. From actually producing stuff to just working on the technical end with drawings, tech packs, stuff like that. Yada, 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 yada. Now that we're past introductions, let's jump right into how to find a clothing manufacturer. Now, like I said, this is my personal way of finding a manufacturer. It'll work for some people. For others, they may not enjoy it and something else might work for them. But anyways, my personal favorite way to do it is through Instagram. Why do I like Instagram over those other places? Well, one, I, and like many other people, we're already familiar with Instagram. And I'm sure most of us can understand the concept of looking at someone's Instagram before you get into a relationship with them. It's the same thing with a manufacturer because you want to set up a relationship. And what do you do when you meet somebody and you get their Instagram? You scroll through that bad boy up and down. You click through every single highlight and you watch them for a while and see how they act. And then you might hit them up to pursue. So it's the same thing with manufacturers on Instagram. So just a few things that I pick up from a manufacturer's Instagram from the moment I see it. One is how good their English is. Obviously on Instagram, you're going to see domestic manufacturers as well as overseas manufacturers. And it is nice to know before even hitting them up how well their English is. You can see it from their captions. You can see it anywhere that they write on Instagram and story posts and all that other stuff. The second thing I'm picking up on is, are they actually showing their work? Which is very, 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 very important. If you go to a manufacturer's page and they're only showing stock images, get out of Dodge. I want to know if you're posting your actual work. One way you can typically tell that is obviously it's not just stock images, but alongside that, you're looking at similar backgrounds in the pictures. Do they always take their pictures on a piece of wood, or do they always take it on a cement background? Do you see the same things in the background when they show pictures and videos of the factory? Like, do things line up? You gotta get on your detective tip. Do things line up? You want to make sure they're not lying to you. A lot of these places are just cash grabs because there are so many manufacturers out there and just so many businesses. You really got to watch yourself. So make sure that they're actually showing pictures of their work and double check that. The third thing I'm picking up on is their work good? You know, after you find out that this is actually their work and they're not using stock images and no trickery, you zoom in, look at those stitch lines. I'm seeing if they're straight. I'm looking at their different methods. I'm looking through their comments. I want to see if the people that have worked with them leave good reviews. You don't want to look through the comments and see a bunch of people saying, where's my package? Where's my package? Oh, you guys, whoop-de-woo, all kinds of crazy stuff. Just like Amazon when you look through reviews. People are going to blow up the comments of a manufacturer that they don't like. So that touches on why I personally like Instagram and a few of the things that I look for immediately when I see a page. But you're probably asking, Nick, how do you actually find the manufacturers on Instagram? There's several ways, right? The first thing I do is I go to hashtags. Now, a lot of people might say hashtags are outdated and who uses them, but I promise you, businesses use hashtags because they want users to be able to find them through all the nonsense of the algorithm and stuff. So search up those hashtags, look for keywords that have to do with whatever you're trying to make or anything manufacturing related. I'm going to give you 3 manufacturing hashtags that I go to first when I'm searching, and then you niche it down from there. First one is going to be clothing manufacturer. Now, out of the 3 hashtags that I'm going to give you, this is the most broad hashtag. Like, you're going to see everything in there: domestic, overseas, Just anybody that makes clothes, they use hashtag clothing manufacturer. And just keep in mind that anything that I say, you can tweak the wording and it'll be a whole different thing. And you might find manufacturers under this hashtag that wasn't in this one. So when I say you can tweak it a little bit, you can look up clothing manufacturer, clothing manufacturing, clothing production, all of this stuff, and it will show you all different places. Number 2, if you're looking for cut and sew, definitely search garment manufacturer, garment manufacturing. There's a difference in the industry between clothing and garment. Typically, when you search garment or look at garment, people that use those words are going to be more focused on higher end, more technical type clothing and design. So if you want to make fashiony stuff, anything like that, garment manufacturer is definitely a good one. So for number 3, on the other side of garments and stuff like that and cut and sew, you can search apparel manufacturer, apparel manufacturing. That one is going to give you stuff that's more sportswear like. That's where you're going to see your polyesters, your sublimation, jerseys, hoodies, sweatpants, shorts. All the sportswear, streetwear typically is under people that use hashtag apparel manufacturer, apparel manufacturing. So mind you, those 3 are just to get you started. What I want you to do after you search that, and you look through and you find different manufacturers that you do like, you want to click on their posts and look at their hashtag sets that they use. There will be different hashtags and keywords in there that you weren't thinking of using. And from those, you can find more. And when you get to theirs, you go look at their hashtag set, and then you keep looking and you keep looking and you keep finding, and make sure you save them all. Because when you go down this rabbit hole, it's very easy to forget. And there are a lot of posts under these hashtags, and there's more posts that pop up as time goes along. So don't think that you can search it, just see it, and when you come back, it'll be right there in that same spot at the top or something. It will not. Use that Instagram feature, hit the little save tag, make you a manufacturer folder, and come back to that whenever you need stuff. So aside from hashtags, which I personally think is the #1 way to find manufacturers on Instagram, Instagram gives you the ability to search words inside of captions or any other place that you could post it outside of just hashtags and stuff. So the same words that you search with the hashtag, you can search them on Instagram without that hashtag in front of it. And it'll show you people who may not be using the hashtag feature. They may just write in the caption the different things that they're able to do at their manufacturer and stuff like that. So that's a good option. So for the final option on Instagram, this one is going to be very, very hit or miss. But what you can do is you can go to a manufacturer page that you found through the hashtags or just a word search, and you can go to the following up top and look at the suggested. That one can sometimes give you manufacturers that are similar to them or similar manufacturers that other people have interacted with. You could also possibly go to a certain brand owner's page or a certain brand's page and look through their following. Some people follow the manufacturers that they use. They just follow them. So you might get lucky. You might find Who Decides War manufacturer in New York. You might find whatever. A lot of these people tag them and all kinds of stuff like that. So that last method is a super duper Hail Mary. But there's a chance. So I just threw it in there for you all to check out or whatever. But that's pretty much going to wrap it up for how to find a manufacturer using Instagram. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments, like this video or whatever, DM me, ask me a question. In the future, we're going to be going over a lot of other stuff. How to make tech packs, how to make mock-ups, questions to ask manufacturers. This will be a bigger how-to series. Don't know how I'm formatting it. I'm just having fun. I have this information up here in this noggin, and if it helps at least one person, I'm happy. Y'all all take it easy. I appreciate everybody that's watched to the end of this video. You know, I need that watch time. Deuces, folks. Deuces. Oh, you're still here? Oh. It's kind of like the end credits of a Marvel movie, huh? Well, guess what? I think I got something for everybody that just happened to stay past that extra 5 seconds. Now, mind you, I don't make clothes anymore, manufacturing wise, but I enjoy finding manufacturers, like a lot. So I'm just gonna post the leads that I have for y'all. You can start from there, look out, you can even try them out. I am not endorsing these people. These are just people that have caught my eye, and I just saved them because I just have fun finding manufacturers. That's just what I do. So you can screenshot this and translate it because there's no copying. Oh, actually, new iPhone does allow you to copy and paste from the image. Screenshot this, copy and paste, look it up, bada boom. Now I'm really rolling out.